All right, I think we're recording here. Look at my my bougie carbon fiber Ray-Ban glasses. No more tinted lenses like a D-bag because I can do this. Whoosh! Let's get this vlog started here. I got some information I gotta go over with y'all because this is finally recording. My Sena 10C is finally doing its thing. You know, it's weird. You're probably wondering where goddamn, slow the fuck down, dumb bitch. So, like I said, you're probably wondering where my truck is. I haven't ridden the FC07. I will get into that as soon as I turn this corner. So, what's going on, Steve? Dive into bells and blows. We don't know. I don't even know. So essentially what's going on here is my Honda Grom is the most reliable vehicle I currently own. Details on what's going on is, like I said, after the new chain, my Grom's running fucking top notch, son. Fucking like a champ. Anyways, like I said, nothing I ever own is fucking reliable. So, dude. Like I said, my Sena 10C Pro is fucking complete shit. I ordered a 10C Evo because I really like the Senas. I don't like this Sena. So I'm going to give that a try. If I don't like it, I'm going to fucking send it back to Amazon. But yeah, I really want the new Insta360 GO 2. A lot of just easier to use instead of this thing. I'm like, this thing is great. But fuck, it is a little bit difficult to do things with. Back to what's going on. My truck. Ever since we did that 3,000 miles in Texas and back, the rear end is making some not so good noises. Mainly just, we think it's either the drive shaft or the rear differential. It sounds like it's the rear diff. It is not sounding too great. We're going to go take it to a mechanic. We're going to load the Groms up, drop it off at a shop, and just ride it back. Yeah, that's not the case of how that worked out. We literally pulled into the gas station. It was making really, really ugly sounds. It would pop out of gear. And it would, like, you'd eventually have to put it in neutral, put it back in the drive to give it some gas, and it would be okay after that. But you can hear like the rear wheels binding up when you're like going around a corner, which leads me to believe that's a nice stop sign, you fuck stick. You fucking dumb bitch. Jesus. And this is essentially the reason why I got a new 10C Pro. So this thing can record. Applause, you dumb bitch. Fucking whore. Goddamn. Sorry. So the 10C Pro, like I said, or the 10C Evo, hopefully it works. Not holding my breath for the lack of what this thing does. But anyways, back to the truck. Yeah, so anytime you go around a corner, the rear wheels just kind of like bind up and it skips. And to me, it sounds like it's a differential going out. I'm planning on it's probably going to be kind of expensive to replace, more so than what the truck's worth. So we just may get it fixed and looking at trading it in for something newer. The truck that I'm looking at, I really like the Honda Ridgelines, and people may say that it's not a real truck. I'm like, I don't care. One is because I don't need a full-size truck. I don't tow anything. And getting something that gets better than 12 to 15 miles a gallon would be fucking amazing since the price of gas keeps going up. So that's kind of the thought on why the Honda Ridgeline would, I think this thing's dead, would be a good fit. That, and they're relatively inexpensive, and they got the little cubby in the back where you can just like throw all of our motorcycle shit before we go on a trip. So essentially, that, like I said, that's kind of the reason why I was looking at one of those. I like Hondas. I've always kind of liked the Ridgelines. They're quirky and weird, and I kind of dig them. Not having the ability to, I can haul it'll be perfect to haul the Groms with. And essentially that kind of goes back to problems with the FC07. Are you fucking retarded? Jesus Christ. Why is everybody retarded today? Just want to go to Subway and grab my lunch. I had a fixing for Subway because I saw some sweet bump flaps on in Prisa there. I'll be back. Let me go with this log again. Stupid keys. Boom. This is Steve's. Sweet. That was way easy. Let's put my sandwich in my jacket. I don't know. I've been watching Happy Gilmore and I'm like, I really want a Subway sandwich. So that's what I did. Which is fine, because I like Subway. Subway's good. We don't have any good sandwich shops around here. I had a hankering for like a Blimpie sub the other day. There's like one in the state of Colorado. Like, I remember Blimpies used to be fucking amazing everywhere. I'm like, their sandwiches are pretty goddamn good. But sadly, we don't have them around. Which sucks. So I think the rear POV stopped recording. Put this down and do that. It's funny because that Jeep will never see dirt. I know the Time Mountain Moto watches this. That's a sweet Ford Raptor. He's probably in Utah watching, doing some Jeep shit. So that's, and another guy I follow, Bertoni Motors. He was doing Jeep shit too this week. So, and my neighbor's up there too, doing P something with Dodge Rams. That's his go-to, which is cool. Oh yeah, the FC07. The FC07, man. If the truck is going to cost what I think it's going to cost, I've decided I'm going to sell the FC07. And it's not that I can't afford to fix it. A lot of it is just like I never ride it. Like ever. I never ride the damn thing. Back in, I want to say, it's probably May of last year. Maybe June. No, I think it was May. When I bought I put the new chain and sprockets on it. I've literally put less than 1,000 miles in that thing in the last however long I've had the Grom. And I think it's honestly just time to sell it, let somebody else enjoy it, and get the benefits out of it. Go down to having one motorcycle, which is this. I bought the FC07 mainly to commute back and forth to work. I don't ever go to the office anymore, so I figure it might just be time to sell it. I'm like, I know you guys might be sad, but like that thing it's been great. It's been such a good bike, but I just don't ride it. I'm like, I'd rather sell it to somebody that could enjoy it. It'll free up some garage space. It'll give me a reason to go look at another motorcycle at some point in the future. One of them Harley boys. Get a Harley boys. The problem with it just sitting around is like the $25 Amazon battery that's in it. Fucking keeps going dead. So if I start it up or keep it a new attender, it's fine. But literally that fucking battery is completely depleted the other day when I tried to start it and ride it. So we'll see what the truck costs. If the truck's going to cost an arm and a leg to fix it, going to sell the FC07 to fix the truck, trade the truck in for a Honda Ridgeline. I'll have nothing but Hondas. It'll be weird. It'll be good. So that's Besides that, that's kind of what's going on with everything in the garage. I've been fostering 2 dogs, both puppies from Texas. One is Gemma. She was adopted last Monday, so today's Monday the 29th, whatever, 7 days away from here as it is. And I currently have her sister Juliet. And Juliet's been such a great dog. She's had 3 potential adopters. Waiting to see if she'll be adopted by the third party that seemed to really enjoy her. We met her potential foster parents at a dog park over by my work office, so that was kind of fun. The puppy fever out of my system there. My dogs are kind of tired of having a puppy around because all she does is just pick on them all the time, which is it's funny. But I gotta give my dogs more attention, not that they're deprived of any attention, but you know, we did the fostering thing and it was fun. We enjoyed it, but we're kind of ready for things to go back to the way they are. So that's what's going on. There's a recap. New Sena 10C Evo's on the way because I fucking hate this thing. I want an Insta360 GO 2. That's not much of a priority at the moment. I think it'll be eventually if I can get this thing sold. So if anybody wants to buy it, you can. It'll be for sale. The FZ07 might be for sale depending on what the Titan's going to cost to fix it. So I might just sell it regardless if it's going to be expensive or not. Essentially, I never write it. So essentially, that's kind of what's going on with the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I enjoy the Subway sandwich in my jacket because it's weird. It's like looks like a girth, you know. Yeah. But yeah, I think that's effectively going to end this vlog today. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Steve on the MT. Actually on the Grom. I can't say that anymore. Maybe. We'll see. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.